Good morning students. Today in English we are going to start your English grammar book. So this is your English grammar book. Let's start its first chapter. Today we will study about its first chapter. Its first chapter name is using the dictionary. So firstly you have to know about what is dictionary. A dictionary is a book in which you are getting words according to list in a alphabetical order. If someone asks you what is dictionary, so you have to say them a dictionary is a list of words arranged in alphabetical order. And for each word, a dictionary usually provided information on. Which information? Dictionary provide you for each word. Firstly, definition. In your book, English grammar book, you will get these sentences on page number 1. Firstly, definitions. What is provided to us? Definition. Definition of the word which do you want to search in a dictionary. Second is derivative. Third is part of speech. Fourth is pronunciation. Fifth is example sentence. So students, for each word you are getting some points. First is definition. So what is definition? The meaning of the word. Second is derivative. Word that are derived from the words. Third is part of speech. The grammatically group to which the word belongs. Fourth is pronunciation. Pronunciation of the word by separating the syllable. Next is example sentence. Means the use of the word in a sentence. So how you will look dictionary? So firstly, everybody know that there are 26 alphabet in English. How many alphabet students? 26. And they have some systematic way. What way they are getting? For example, A, B, C, D. You are getting that system for all alphabets. So which word is come first? For example, apple. When you learn during that time, first word come out apple. So what letter come first? A. Then after that B. A, B words. So when you look dictionary, in your dictionary you will get the word which come A letter first. A, then double A, then AB, then AC, according to that. After that AB. Then when you get finish that A letter word, after that you will get B letter word. For example, bat. Okay. Then double B letter words. Then B, C letter words. Okay. According to that you will look into your dictionary the words. So let's start today your study. So on your page number 2 in your book, you will getting a format. Okay, how you look in a dictionary words. So go on that format, look in your book and you can easily search any words. So downside on your page number 2, you are getting some words. Arrange these words in a order in which they appear in a dictionary. So try to do yourself students. Firstly these words. Arrange in order according to dictionary. For example, which word will come first? How you will do? You will mention here 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering you will mention in your book. Firstly try to do. Okay. Today I will not tell you this exercise because this is very easy exercise. If you want to do now, you have to do yourself first. Then in my next video I will tell you about these answer. So these exercise today I left for you. You will do in your book. But don't forget, you have to use only your pencil. So next on your page number 3. Let's start today's exercise. Today's exercise on your page number 3 is A, and circle the words which appear immediately before the highlighted words and underline the words which immediately follow them in a dictionary. One has been done for you. First, and circle the words which appear immediately before the highlighted word. Here you are getting some highlighted word. For example, first iron, email, office. So which word come before them, you have to circle them. Okay, and after which word come the highlighted word, you have to underline them. So first word you are getting here, insect, industry, irritate or irrigate. So you are doing here industry, circle, and irritate you are doing here underline. Same as email. So what will you do, students, here? You will also do your exercise A. It's second number. Eco. You will do circle on eco and enjoy. You will do underline on enjoy. Third number is often. Often you will do circle, and officer you will do underline. Next is number 4, radio, race. You will do circle here, and radium you will do underline. Are you understood very well about? So do your work in neat and clean way. Next is number 5, valley, vacant. Circle. Then next is valley, underline. Number 6, morning, moist. Circle and mall, underline. Number 7, home, had, circle, hour, underline. Next is 8, leave, lazy, circle, leaky, underline. Next is 9, flower bed, flat, circle, flower pot, underline. Next is 10 number. Number 10, outfit, the highlighted word, offer is circle, then owl will be underlined here. Okay, students. So that A exercise you have to finish in your book in neat and clean way. Next is its B exercise. That also mentioned on your page number 3 in your English grammar book. So I hope you all have done that. Next is B. In B, fill in the blanks with letter to form any 3 words that will follow the highlighted words in a dictionary. One has been done for you. So here 1 to 10 you also getting some highlighted words. So you have to write any 3 words here. You are getting some space in front of each highlighted words. So first is penguin. So already mentioned here, number 1, permit, petal and picture. So second is garden. So what will you write? In second number, Jiran. Then gat. Then goat. You are getting some letters already here. So you have to make them words. According to your sense, you can also mention here if you want to mention. Here, underlined words are letters you are getting. These letters you have to do underline. In your book, you are getting that one. Number 3, knee, knife, no. Number 4 is nose. Number nurse. Next is number 5. School, shoes, sleep. Sleep you will mention here. Number 6 is aunt, April, asleep. Next is 7, ocean, ochre, oil. Next is number 8, far, fashion, fast. 9 number you will also mention mango, or mass, Mary, and monkey. Next is 10, idea, igloo, ill, and insect. So that B exercise you have also fill in your book in neat and clean way. So today you will do only this page exercise. In your book you will fill on your page number 3. Thank you students.